doing? Those are my pants. What are you doing with those? Hi guys, so today I wanted to film a university haul video. I know that when I started university I watched so many of these videos before going and just like seeing what everyone else got because I'm super nosy. So I thought that some other people might enjoy this one. I'm going into my final year of university, which is kind of crazy. And yeah, and I'm still buying stuff. So you think that you get it all in the first year, but you don't. In fact, everything gets stolen in the first year, so you end up just getting it all over again. But yeah, this year I'm moving in with my boyfriend Rory, so a lot of the stuff that I'm getting is more like stuff that I'm hoping will like continue on being used, if that makes sense, more long term than generally in the previous years. I've kind of just got any old thing, and as long as it worked, it's good. It's probably, as I said, going to get stolen by flatmate. I've got stuff from Asda, Homesense, TK Maxx, H&M, I think. I've got stuff from H&M, I don't know. Some of the stuff that I've already bought is actually already in the flat, so obviously I don't have that stuff with me at the moment because I'm at home, so I feel like I'll probably film this stuff, and then if I have enough stuff that's actually in the flat next time I'm there, then I will do another little haul there for you. So the first things that I think I'll show you are kitchen stuff. So the first thing I got were these mugs. These were from Matalan, I believe, and they're just little star sign mugs. I love anything with star signs on them. So I got two. I got one for me and one for Rory. Oh, sorry. So this one's Sagittarius, that's mine, and then Rory's is a Leo one. And I just think they're really pretty. When I picked up the Sagittarius one, I accidentally picked up Aquarius. Is that a star sign? I think I picked up Aquarius and nearly bought that one, which would have been very, very bad. But I just think they look cute. Oh, cute together in the mornings having our cup of tea, or Rory will have coffee because he doesn't like tea because he's a madman. And then I obviously did get a few things from Ikea, because what is a uni homeware haul without Ikea? What's any homeware haul without Ikea, really? And this is kind of boring. It's just a plate. I got a couple of these just large plates. They're pink. I just really wanted pink plates this year. For some reason I've got this concept of pink plates with avocado on toast, and I just think the green and the pink will go really well together, and I know that's absolutely ridiculous, but yeah, I'm all about it. I don't know how much these were, but inexpensive because it was only Ikea. Yeah, the whole theme, if you haven't noticed, is very much white with pink and gold elements, is what I'm going for, which is, I know, very basic and pretty much, you know, every single girl's Instagram theme, but what can I say, I just like it. I also got some side plates. They did have, I believe, some of the plain small pink side plates, but then I saw these and I just kind of fell in love with them. I got 4 of these, and they are like pink rimmed, and they've got this like white with like, I think it's navy blue, like speckled. I don't know if you can see that, props not, but it's like speckled, like a little egg or something, and I just think they're a little bit different. I didn't expect to find them in Ikea, and I thought they were really, really pretty, so I got 4 of those. And then I obviously got the matching bowls to go with them. They're not that deep, which I usually like a big deep bowl because that means that you can get more food in it. I like a really, really big bowl of porridge in the morning, and this will probably not do me, but for just regular cereal or, I don't know, soup, it's fine. Again, Ikea, classic. And then also I really like the idea of having like mix and match mugs and crockery, basically, so they're all kind of different but they all go together. So I found these in, was it Homesense? I think it was Homesense, or was it TK Maxx? They're both owned by the same company, but I thought they were so cute. So these little white bowls with gold around the edge, and then they've got these tiny little triangles, which I think are just so pretty. They're really, really unique, and these are a little bit deeper, but I think that the two look really nice together as well. And then super boring, but to go along with them, I got 2 just pink table mats from Ikea, because I just hate not having anything down. Like, the idea of leaving a ring on the table makes me a little bit nervous. This is one of my favourite things, but it's so heavy. Oh my god. I got this from TK Maxx. I think it was $7.99. No, it's $9.99, but still pretty good price. And it is this marble serving board, and honestly I can't wait. If I ate dairy, this would be a lovely cheese board, but alas I don't. So it's just gonna have bread on it. Bread, some balsamic. That's just the dream, isn't it? It's so heavy, it's really good quality, and just so pretty. I just love it. And you could spend so much more on something like this from something somewhere like Anthropology or Oliver Bonus or something like that. So I was very pleased when I found it for only $9.99. I snapped it right up. This is the last kitchen thing I've got. Now I was kind of trying to steer away from copper. I think copper has had like a bit of a moment, but that moment may have passed. I personally think that gold is just a little bit more classic. I just prefer gold. But I saw this and we really needed a like drawer organizer for like knives and forks and stuff. I hate, at the moment they're just like, it's just a big mess when you open the drawer, and it just makes me feel a bit, you know, uncomfortable. So I found this was in TK Maxx. This was $7.99 and it's just a copper wire tray, kitchen organizer, and just means that we can keep everything in its right place, which is nice, and it's just prettier than having like, you know, one of those white plastic ones. So I thought that was very, very cute, and I feel like I don't really mind that it's copper. It's still really pretty, and it's not like it's out on display clashing with all the gold stuff, if that makes sense. I also got in TK Maxx this weekly desk pad. I really like these for planning my meals. So I basically, like, I've done this pretty much every year, write down on each day of the week what I'm going to be eating and what like ingredients I need for each thing, and then that means that when I go to do my shop, I'm not getting random stuff and then getting home and being like, what the hell am I going to do with all this? What am I going to eat? Then for the bathroom, I got this little toothbrush holder this was from Asda, literally a couple of pounds. I just thought it was so pretty. It's just white and then got this kind of like Dalmatian spot kind of thing going on. I just thought it was really, really like classic and pretty. Lola, do you want to make any more noise? Oh gosh, you big old lump. Oh, hello. You want to say hello? Oh, you're so cute. Are you so cute? I love you. I love you. You're so cuddly, aren't you? You're like, I'm not cuddly, I want to get away. But you're not getting away. No. Where was I? What was I saying? This. I just think it's really classic, really pretty, and just useful. We needed one, and I just liked it, so I picked it up. And then also bathroom wise, I feel like this is just a bathroom scent. So I got a couple of candles. This one was from Homesense. I spent forever in the candle section at Homesense. They have the most amazing candles. I could have spent so much money in there, but they are way cheaper than your regular candles. You know, like Diptyque, Jo Malone. Candles can get really expensive. This was $7.99 for a big old boy, and this is the DW Home in the fragrance Breathe, and it just smells super fresh, kind of like baby powdery maybe. Yeah, do you like it? Do you like it? But like perfect for bathroom, and also I feel like the blue just looks good in the bathroom. There were other candles that were in prettier packaging. I think this is like pretty, but would have gone well with my theme. But I just decided that I wanted something that was really like fresh and clean smelling, which is why I went for this one. And then I got another candle, but this one was from Aldi actually, and that is this one. As you can see, this is a massive rip-off for the Diptyque candles, and they do these big old boys, and they are expensive. They're like 100 and something pounds, maybe even more, and it smells really similar to their vanilla scent, which is like my favourite scent that they do. But this one is called Woodfire, and it's just plain black. I think it's so aesthetically pleasing, and I think this was £8, I think, from Aldi. I don't know if they'll have any left, because obviously they're very, this was like, there were 2 left I think when I went there, and they also did a white version which I think smells of fig. My mum has that one downstairs. The white one definitely, again, would have gone with my theme better, but I just love this scent so much, and I think the black is still cool. So okay, and then last couple of things I got this frame. This was from Homesense again, and it's just a gold picture frame. I need to get this sticker off. I think I'm gonna have to soak it in water or something. It's just very classic. I thought it would look cute on my desk, and not really much to say about it. I just thought it was pretty, and I don't know how much this was because I've attempted to rip the sticker off, but I think it was like £7.99, £6.99. May have even been cheaper than that, I'm not sure. Oh, okay, and this is really random. Is this my last? No, I've got one more thing after this. When I was in Ikea, I saw this, it's like a baking sheet. It's silicone, so you just like put it down rather than using baking, what's it called, parchment, when you're baking like cookies or whatever. You can just use this, and I thought this was an amazing idea because it's reusable. Bye then. Reusable, so you're not like using up as much packaging and things like that, and that's always good for the old environment, and I just thought it was cool, really. Just a lot easier, so would recommend. I haven't tried it yet, but I have high hopes for this, because cookies are like my favourite thing ever. Also, Bake Off has started, which means there's going to need to be weekly baking for Bake Off viewing, obviously. And then the last thing that I've got is this blanket. This was again from Ikea, and it's just this pale pink knitted blanket. It's chunky but funky, and I'm a big fan. It's very snuggly. I'm not sure whether I'm going to put this on our bed or the sofa. I think the sofa, because I think this is just perfect for curling up under, because it's like a big old jumper, really, isn't it? When you're watching TV. So I think that's going to be the plan, and then I'll probably find a different one for the bed. But yeah, so I think that's everything I've got so far. I'm sure there will be more purchases in future, and like I said, I may film another one when I'm back in London with all the stuff that we've got from there. We've got a few cute things from Anthropology, which is like my absolute fave, even though it's, you know, you have to mortgage your kidney to buy anything there, but it's kind of worth it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will have an amazing time at uni, whether it is your final year or your first year or whatever. I think this ASOS man has just seen me filming his video, so that's embarrassing, isn't it? Sorry, I just had to run down to get my ASOS package. Now I'm really out of breath. But I feel like I was pretty much done anyway. So yeah, whether it's your first year at uni or your final one, I hope you have an amazing year, and yeah, good luck to everyone, and I'm sure it'll be great. I'm sure you'll have the best year ever. That's the plan, isn't it? Best year ever. It's a good opportunity to put off the real world for a little bit longer, so I hope that you all enjoy doing that, and I will see you all soon. Bye!